Chances are you're making a critical mistake with your portfolio. Oftentimes as creative professionals, we invest tons of time and effort in our clients' projects, but we don't take the same care and attention when it comes to investing in ourselves. Your portfolio is not limited to a collection of completed work, but should also include your expertise, process, strategy, and prove you're able to make good decisions when designing with a goal in mind. It's not enough to be skilled at what you do. You have to take it a step further and get others to believe you can actually provide value. When you use this approach and apply the blueprint framework, you'll never have to wonder whether or not your portfolio reflects your best work. Setting up your design portfolio is one of the most essential areas as a creative and is often overlooked. This also may be a reason why you're not securing as many clients as you could. Your portfolio is not everything that it could be. My name is Nathan Allotey. I'm a designer and marketing strategist, and for the last 5 years, I've been solely focused on teaching designers how to bridge the gap between their creative skills and business. In this course, we'll walk through the process of creating a portfolio project from start to finish, everything from mindset all the way down to what specific creative elements you should include. We will walk through how to compose, curate, and create the necessary assets to best communicate your design skills. I get completely transparent and communicate where I failed in the past, but also I walk through how to avoid those common pitfalls and take a leap forward. You can anticipate tips, examples from real client projects, case studies, and live portfolio reviews. No matter if you're a student, freelancer, just getting started, or have years of experience, the Behance Blueprint will help you focus on what's important when creating your portfolio.